Hello, sixth graders. This is the correction for week 25, day 1. The first problem on here says use what you know to write definitions. So based on what you know, your answers might be a little bit different. Just giving you the example that I had, I will allow you to share your example with me when you go to Edmodo to complete this assignment with week 25, day 1 on there. So clockwise. Clockwise is moving the same direction as a clock. So it's moving like this. So if we're in a circle to play a game, or we're sitting around a table to play a game, and we say we're going to go clockwise, it would mean you would move in the same direction as a clock. And then clockwork, if something is functioning like clockwork, it means it's moving in harmony. Like all the pieces are working together, it's all moving the way it should. Again, could be a lot of different answers for that one. I will check yours when you turn in the assignment on Edmodo. Number 2, write the plural. Cuckoos would be just with an S at the end. And if you look at this word, wouldn't that be with the double O? That would be a little strange to add another E in there, to add another vowel. So hopefully you could have figured that just by the basic knowledge we have of the language. Number 3, choose the correct verb. The minutes flew by as I waited. Number 4, what literary techniques? Notice on here that I have circled the S because that means more than one. So we have tick, 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 tick. When you have something, the word actually is the sound. It's onomatopoeia. And the second half of this says the minutes strutted by. Well, strutting would be something that a person could do. Minutes can't walk like that. That would be a quality of a person. So that would be an example of personification. And then number 5. Get the right lighting here. 5 says, read the article, explain one misconception about a famous clock tower in London, England. I don't know about you, but I thought this was fairly interesting. I've always thought Big Ben was the name of the clock, and that is what people call it. I mean, that's what we refer to it as. But it's interesting that the real name is Elizabeth Tower, and it has a giant clock on it, which people call Big Ben, but Big Ben is actually the name of one of the 5 bells that hangs in the famous tower. So my answer for this one, I wrote, people call the clock itself Big Ben, but that's the name of one of the bells. That also will be one that I will have you share with us on Edmodo. So there you have it, week 25, day 1.